Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Knorr sweet corn chicken soup. Let's start the preparation. First, take a bowl. Add 600 ml water. Now empty the contents of the pack. Mix it well without forming lumps. Mixing completed. Now place it on stove and boil it for 3 minutes. On medium flame. Mix it well without forming lumps. Now add beaten egg to the boiling soup. And garnished with coriander. Egg and coriander is completely optional. Cooking completed. Now serve hot. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.